So today we're having a look at the bedding plants at ASDA. So we take a look at the top shelf. We've got trays of lobelia. These are £2 or 3 for £5. Shelf below we've got marigolds. These are great with the tomatoes. These are 3 for £5. They're looking quite healthy. And we've got more lobelia, 3 for £5. And then we've got petunias. Petunias next. These are mixed colours. They're looking really good. And then we've got more marigolds. And they look good as well. So that's really looking good. Those are 3 for £5. Lots more lobelia at the bottom. Next we've got some climbers. We've got clematis, darius, cardinal, whatever ski, whatever that is. Dark eyes, pink champagne, Star of India. That's a good choice. And then we've got some jasmine, rudiflora, more clematis, and passiflora, amethyst, and carulia, honeysuckle, and more jasmine. These are 3 for £5. Underneath we've got some verbena. These single pots, 3 for £5. Verbena. And we've also got some foxgloves. They're looking really healthy. They're looking good. So next shelf we've got some roses. These are £15 and these are big standard. These will look great by your front door. There's yellow, pink, white, all sorts of colours. £15. They're looking really good. Could do with some of those by our front door. That would be really great. Some more underneath, some peach colours, more reds, dark reds. They're looking really good. Single pots of petunias. 3 for £5 or £2 each. Some dahlias, they're looking really good. 3 for £5. Various varieties. Then we've got our olive trees. £8. Maybe get some of these for the front door. They're looking really good. Next we've got bottle brush. £20. Look at these flowers, they're looking really, really nice. I had one of these at the allotment, but it died off. They're looking really good, so interesting. And then we've got coleus, cordylines, £8. They're looking good. And some more petunias. Next shelf over, we've got Acers, £5. Red ones and the yellow ones, the green ones. They're looking really good. £5 a pot. I do like Acers. And they've got larger pots for £10. They're looking good. Some Buxus pyramids. They're looking good. And also some boxes, bowls, and they're £12. One thing I saw over here was succulent in a pot. He's looking really cool. I've got quite a few succulents. £5.27, and that's looking really good. A nice pink pot. And then we've got some herbs. We've got mint, and these are 3 for £5. Various mints and some pansies in a pot. So there we go. What would you choose out of all this lot?